Welcome to Finviz. In this video tutorial, we will give you a brief introduction of the Finviz Screener. The Screener tool is one of the most popular features on Finviz. The Screener is the best way to find new investment opportunities, filter the entire stock market, and further analyze your portfolio positions or watch lists by examining valuations, financial metrics, performance, charts, and so much more. At the top of the Screener, you can see the filter criteria, categorized by descriptive, fundamental, technical, news, ETF, and all. Here's where you can decide what requirements you have for the stocks that will show up in the results. For example, you can select from descriptive criteria such as the exchange, sector, or country that the stock is in, the size or market cap of the company, the current price of the stock, and various volume measures. In fundamental category, you can further filter based on valuations like PE ratios, price to sales, or price to book. You can also filter based on earnings growth, profit margins, debt ratios, and more. In the technical category, you can filter based on performance, moving averages, percent change, and other technical indicators. You can also select the all category to see every filter criteria in one place. As you select your criteria, the screener will filter down the long list of stocks to show you only those stocks that match what you're looking for. Starting at over 10,000 stocks, your results will be a targeted list. The more selective you are with your criteria and constraints, the more your list will narrow down. This way, you can find the stocks that present the best investment opportunity based on your requirements. Let's set up a screen together as an example. Let's search for US stocks with a market cap above 10 billion, trading at a forward PE of under 30, with positive EPS growth this year, sales growth of more than 10% over the last 5 years, a relatively low debt-to-equity ratio of under 0.5, with positive operating margin and net profit margin, with the stock trading above the 200-day moving average. Just like that, we narrow down the list from over 10,000 stocks to just a handful. Now we can further sort and analyze our results. As a default, the results are sorted by ticker in alphabetical order. However, you can also sort by sector, market cap, PE ratio, price, and more by clicking on the headers. Let's sort by market cap in descending order to see the largest companies at the top of the results. As you evaluate your results, you can hover over the tickers with your mouse to quickly see the chart of each company. In addition to a quick overview, you can also further investigate and analyze your results by diving deeper into other categories. In valuation, you can sort and analyze stocks by valuation metrics like PE ratio, price to book, or earnings growth. In the financial category, you can analyze and sort based on dividends, return on equity, debt ratios, and profit margins. The screener results are loaded with useful information and data for you to look at. Ownership information like insider ownership, float, short ratio, performance information by week, month, year, technical data such as moving averages, 52-week highs and lows, relative strength, gaps, and much more. In custom, you can also customize the columns of information you want to see all in one place. Just click on the settings near the top right corner of the screener, and then check or uncheck the data columns you want to see. Finally, if you want to see a quick visual of your results, you can go to the chart section in the screener, where you will see a chart grid of all the stocks that match your criteria. Here you can track your results, quickly see which stocks you want to avoid or look further into, and monitor your opportunities in real time. This chart grid is a favorite feature of many investors and traders on Finviz. You can also see a quick stats overview where you can find categorization by sector, market cap, country, and industry. You can even see the performance against the S&P 500. This has been a brief intro of the Finviz Screener. There's so much more you can do with the Finviz Screener, from finding new investment ideas, to analyzing companies, to monitoring day trading opportunities, and to discovering valuable insights which will improve your trading. Good luck with your investing, and thank you for using Finviz.